Congratulations on your win over Pakistan. Let's get straight into it. You're back to opening the bowling attack along with Hardik Pandya. Feels like a sense of normalcy has been restored.
I'm happy to bowl wherever the team wants me to. But yes, the conditions did help swing bowling a little bit. There was a little bit in the wicket, so I think that was the reason that they thought that I should start with the new ball. But as far as I'm helping the team, I'm very happy. There was decent amount of help, so we tried to use it to our advantage. And today was a good day where the execution was good. We were looking at what were our options on this wicket. When we saw there was a little bit of help with the new ball, because when we were bowling with the new ball in the warm-ups, there was a little bit of swing. When there's a little bit of monsoon weather going around, the ball does a little bit over here, and we wanted to use that, and we wanted to stick to our strength, not to be overcomplicated, but to keep an eye on what the wicket was doing, and if there is some help, so then you can use your slower balls as well.
Ishan Kishan, what a man. He's been doing his job consistently now for India over the last two games. How fun was it watching that innings?
I'm really happy for him. The way he batted, he was sensible. Back in the day where he used to be aggressive, he used to keep going, but today he read the wicket, he took his chances, he knew where he could hit shots. It was not a very easy wicket. There was grip in the wicket, so he assessed the wicket, took his chances, and he played a brilliant knock. So really happy for him. Hope he continues to be like this, and that will help us in the tournament going forward.
Your captain from the 2024 campaign, Rohit Sharma, was in the dugout before the start of the game. What were the conversations like? What did he say?
He actually didn't talk about cricket. I was asking about, do you listen to the singer that was there, Hanuman Kind's rap songs? We were not talking about cricket. Yeah, I met him after a long time. So yeah, he said all the best, and he was just wishing everyone the best of luck. Yeah, it was really good to see him. He's the ICC ambassador, so hopefully he'll come for many more games. And yeah, it was always good to see him.
Speaking of Hanuman Kind, he requested to meet Ishan Kishan because there's a likeness in how they look. Did you see it?
Yeah, we did see it later when they were up close and personal and when the jerseys were exchanged. We didn't notice it first, but then when both of them were standing together, there was a little bit of similarity. So I think now Ishan has to try and do that haircut, but that would be a little difficult for the helmet to fit in. But yeah, all jokes aside, it was a good performance, and it was good for us to see that performance.
Amazing. Thank you so much for talking to us. Congratulations on tonight's win, and we'll see you now in Ahmedabad.
Thank you. You're flying with me, I know that. So cheers.